lovelies. So I wanted to introduce you to Yanka the bear. Just managed to get her finished on time. Took me a few minutes. I had to knit super quickly. You'll see when I finished editing the video and managed to upload it, which is going to take me a while. Anyway, I'm going to knit Yanka a friend. I'm going to follow the same pattern, but I'm going to do it using stocking stitch. So if you remember, that's where I knit one row and I purl one row. Some of you already know how to do that. Like everything, I suggest that you practice it. So you cast on 20 stitches, practice, knit one row, purl one row, knit one row, purl one row, and you've learnt stocking stitch. And then you can knit a companion teddy bear for your garter stitch teddy bear. Right, I want to talk to you about reading. We've done loads of work on reading this year and you've made huge amounts of progress. So you have plenty of time now to really enjoy your reading. I wanted to show you what I'm reading. I'm reading a book called The Mercies, which is written by an author called Kieran Millward Hargreave. We have a book of Kieran Millward Hargreave in our classroom because she wrote young adult books, which is what you guys are reading now. So she wrote a book called The Girl of Inca Stars, which some of you've read, and she wrote Way Past Winter and The Island at the End of Everything, maybe, but you'll be able to find it online. They're brilliant books. And what's amazing about reading at the moment is that it can take you to places where you can't go. So at the moment, this is taking place in a little island off the coast of Finland, I think, called Vardo. And her writing is beautiful, and I wake up in the morning and I read a bit and then I forget that I'm not in Vardo. I'm in Peckham. And there's just one little bit, her writing is really beautiful, and there's just one little bit and I thought it just sounded really nice. It's just a sentence. But it's the kind of thing I talked to you about a little bit, or I've started talking to you about, when you're reading and you work out how an author is telling you the story. So here it says, they go to bed just as morning slips its noise beneath the door. And I thought that was just such a lovely little expression. So I might try and remember that and use that when I do some writing, which I'm going to. Anyway, I've been talking for far too long. We'll catch up soon. Bye.